Mayday, mayday, attention all barbers and stylists. The ultimate man weave unit non-surgical men's hair replacement class. A lot of y'all have seen Man Weave Unit on Instagram. Y'all been following it. You've been hanging on the fence. You've seen the webinars and you've been wondering, should I take the class or not? Yes, you should take the class. If you are a barber or stylist and you want to 10x your income, you want to make more money, work less, it's time to learn the non-surgical, non-hair replacement man weave unit technique. I mean, it's everywhere on Instagram. Barbers are making $300 or more per service. I've never seen anything like this before. I've been doing barbering license since 1990. I started out haircuts for about $5. Never in my wildest imagination did I have a dream of barbers and stylists being able to make at least $300 or more per service. I'm going to share a lot of stuff with you all today, and I'm going to let you know why you should take this course. I have a lot of tools that you're going to learn about. For instance, the hair fibers. We're going to learn about the cut buddy. Also, how to apply the adhesive or the glue. We're going to learn about cutting the unit, how to actually cut the unit. We're going to learn about how to actually get that perfect straight line every single time with the secret electrical tape. One thing about units, I know about units because number one, I'm a barber. Number two, I wear units. I don't have my unit in right now, so let me take off everything. As you see my hair, well, I know you're probably laughing, but when I put my unit on, there's nothing you can tell me. I have all types of units. Let me share my high top unit. Oh yeah, my short lace unit. Let me get that for you. The short lace unit. As you can see this, undetectable. Also, when you're doing units, you're going to need the proper equipment, and I'm going to talk about that also. You definitely need the right equipment, a light. If you're a great barber, you know about the lights. Some of y'all have entered competitions and you always see barbers in surgery with that light on. So I'm going to share all the different tools that you're going to need. We're also going to talk about the step-by-step, how to make a cast mold so that unit will fit your head like a glove. We're going to talk about how to measure the unit in the class. So you know how a tailor, he has his tape measure. Oh yeah, the good old tape measure. We're going to talk about all the tools you're going to need in measuring for those custom units. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that we're going to learn in this class, and we're just getting started. Also, we need to know about the hair vendors. Who has the best hair, the loose hair, the 100% human hair? Who has the best units? I love the units from Miracle Barbie MD. I've bought units from all over the world. Sometimes you don't know what you get. A lot of times you get some crap. But with ManWeaveUnit.com, she has some of the best hair. I back her 100%. When you take the class, guess what? It's an online class, but you're going to get certified. You will get your certification mailed to you. So you will receive it in the mail. That's right. Your non-surgical Man Weave Unit hair replacement certification. We're not in the old days like grandmama and granddaddy no more. Everybody's taking stuff online. You can learn wherever, whenever from your cell phone. Also, we'll be doing a lot of tutorials live and on real humans, mannequins. I have all the mannequins back here, as you can see, some of my best buddies. And barbers, if you're going to do this non-surgical hair replacement, you need the good old ring light. Yes, I have links for that where you can go straight to Amazon and order that. I got a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, how to remove the unit. We're going to talk about the different solvents to remove it. We're going to talk about the different adhesives. We're going to talk about why you need to use the popsicle stick. And yes, one of the best things we have that no other ManWeave Unit non-surgical hair replacement class has, they do not have the business. This is the business. All of these documents, there are thousands of documents that you're going to get in the Ultimate ManWeave Unit non-surgical hair replacement class. Now, why is the business part so important? You're going to get the business plan, the insurance documents, client consultation forms. When a client comes into your establishment, you're going to hand them that clipboard, and it's going to have the client consultation forms. They're going to think that you're a doctor. They're going to feel like they're in a dentist's office getting ready to get a root canal or something, because with all of this important paperwork, you're not going to be that barber or stylist that says, hey, oh, come on back and get in the chair. No, when that client comes in, you're going to hand them that client consultation form on their clipboard. It's going to take them to a whole nother level. We're going to talk about all of the different products and tools and everything, products to treat the units. I use a lot of Miracle Barbie MD's products for the units, because you got to know how to treat that unit, how to prep it. And I wanted to show y'all something, just how a unit makes you look. Anybody that you see wearing a hat, 9 times out of 10, if you see a man wearing a hat, he's hiding something. So I'm gonna take my hat off, and you see how my head is. One thing about it, why do I know so much about units? Because I wear units, and I've been licensed since 1990. I've been a school owner since 1998. So if anybody knows about units, it's me. I mean, just look at this head, receiving like the Batman, the M. Look, just look. But that's okay. I know you're laughing. I'm gonna share my screen just so y'all can see how units are changing people's lives. That was on Barbershop Connect, where we did that post, Lee Resnick of Barbershop Connect, and there was about 47,000 views. And we've sold over 1,000 courses where barbers from all over the world have purchased the ManWeave Unit class online. They're learning everywhere. That's my original hair. As you can see, I got a fade on the sides, but the top is really looking bad. Look at that top. It's receiving. I wanted to show you these pictures. That is the wavy unit, handcrafted. That's a unit that I have on my head, and I'm going to cut that unit down. You'll see a little bit later. Look at that. That's a ManWeave unit with the tracked hair, the bundle hair. Big difference. A lot of people like to cover up the men's faces. They don't want to be seen. I don't care about being seen. Look, looks like I've been in an electrical socket. I'm going to show you the solvent that removes it. Okay, praying mantis head. Look at that. Big difference, isn't it? Big difference. That right there is Ricky. You're going to also learn the 100% human hair ponytail unit done by Miracle Barbie MD. Yes, that's in there. That unit costs about $1,500 for guys. A lot of y'all know me from Instagram, where that video went viral, and I was able to get my own product line, the Itch, Sweat, Smell, and Free solution, along with the ManWeave Unit adhesive and glue. Okay, now look at that. That was another one. We had a ManWeave Unit class at my house. That was a live class, and that's what made me start doing the online classes, because in live classes that you can't record, and barbers and stylists forget things. So we started the online course where you can learn wherever, whenever, and have lifetime access to the class. Yes, lifetime access. There was another live class, and we started doing the online classes because of those reasons. We're going to show you even how to put the part in. You're going to learn so many different types of units. You see where I got the fro, then it's cut down. I mean, let's go back to this. Those were different posts on Barbershop Connect. You see 47,000 views, 35,000 views, 21,000 views. I mean, barbers just went to the ManWeave Unit page on Instagram. They purchased the online course. Now they can learn wherever, whenever. Look at the before and after. I mean, there are tons of pictures. That was a live class. And of course, like I said, the live class, they forget stuff. You got to pay for travel, expenses, food. So that's why everybody's just loving this online class. And we're steady uploading new content, more content, because the more you learn, the more you earn. There's Ricky. Look at his head. Look at my head. We'll carry on. That's me removing the unit. I'm going to show you how to do that. More pictures. That's with the part in there. Now you see how you put the part in, how it's done. The Killmonger. That's what that is. Killmonger unit. Y'all saw the movie Black Panther. Okay? That's what that unit is. The Black Panther Killmonger unit. All right. Another unit. No unit. Original hair. Original hair. Y'all see that? No man wants to be bald. Bad unit. Bad unit. You don't want those type of units. The Krispy Kreme donut head unit. The mousetrap head unit. A lot of people named it that. I mean, there's Shaka Moore. She took the online class. She's taking a lot of other classes by other people too. And she does the unit. She's an expert. There's Ricky again, before and after. Oh yeah, we're going to talk about, can you get in the shower with the unit? How to prep the unit. How units can last long. The durability. We're going to talk about all of that in the ManWeave Unit class. You're going to learn all of that. I even have a video that I'm going to show y'all for free where I actually take a shower with the unit, just so y'all can see how good those units last. Yes, you can take a shower. The praying mantis head unit. There's Ricky. There's the before. And that look at that hair. It looks like it's coming out of the scalp. And you're going to learn this unit step by step. This in itself is $1,500 to learn this technique just within itself. 100% human hair. It looks like it's coming out of the scalp. You're going to learn how to prep this unit, the shampooing, the conditioning, what product to use. I mean, this unit is about 15 different lessons of raw, uncut, over the shoulder, step-by-step version. A lot of y'all know the low top, but this within itself is worth the money. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you all. So we're going to learn a lot about units. There's so much theory information. All of these documents, they have been downloaded and uploaded to the ManWeave Unit non-surgical hair replacement class. This ultimate ManWeave Unit class, you're going to get the insurance documents, business plans, client consultation forms. I mean, it is loaded down with information that you're going to have lifetime access to. So just click the link and I will see you. Sign up now. This is AKA ManWeave Unit on Instagram, Millionaire Barber on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at ManWeaveUnit@gmail.com or millionairebarber@gmail.com. If you have questions, DM us at ManWeave Unit or at Millionaire Barber. So I will see you in this class, and you all have a great day. Barbers and stylists, it's time to take it up to another level.